Hi, thank you for stopping by. My name is Priya and welcome to my channel O Priye. In today's video, I will be talking about the book The Prophet by Khalil Gibran. I have very recently read this book just a couple of weeks back and I really regret not taking this book into my hands much earlier. And if you are like me who haven't read this book already, I'm telling you, trust me on this, you are seriously missing out something worth reading. Don't be like me. Grab a piece of this book and start reading. It's a very short read. It has only 132 pages and it has some amazing paintings from the author. The book is written by Khalil Gibran. He is a Lebanese author and this book is one of his most popular works and it has been translated to more than 20 languages. I'll tell you about this book, the plot of the story. Even though from the title of the book, The Prophet, you might find that this book is like a religious kind of a book, but trust me, it is not. It is more like a philosophical kind. The book has around 25 to 26 prose, small chapters, which poetically explains about various things about, say, love, about marriage, about passion, about work, about children, relationship, failure, rejection, and all these things which beautifully web together to make a thing called life. It's so deep and it's so fascinating to read that every time we will read one chapter, we will take a pause and stop reading for some time to understand what the writer has actually tried to tell. About the plot of the story, the main character, the central character of the book is about a guy called Al-Mustafa. He is the prophet, okay, and he lives in the city of Orphalese for 12 years with its people. And now a ship has come to take him back to his place of birth. And for throughout these 12 years, actually, in spite of he loved the city of Orphalese, but then he always longed to go back to his motherland. And now when the time has actually come, his soul actually cries out in pain. And when the people of Orphalese come to know about this, that a ship has come to take him, everybody gathers around him and requests and pleads him not to leave, because he is no more a stranger or a guest but their own beloved son. But however, he had to go, and Al-Mustafa knew that he had to go, right? So among the crowd, there was one woman who is Al-Mitra. Actually, she knew that the Prophet has to go, and therefore she requests that before he leaves, he must impart his wisdom about all these topics, that is religion and love and relationship and passion and joy and rejection and all these things, so that the people of Orphalese can teach these wisdom to their coming generation, to their children, so that his wisdom stays on forever, generation through generation. So that is basically the theme of the book. Each chapter is beautifully written, and the way the Prophet bids farewell is so heartbreaking. We are bound to be heavy hearted once we finish reading this book. I will link down a few stanzas of this book in the description box, so please do check it out and see if you can connect to it. I highly recommend you to read this book. It is very short read. I completed reading this book within just 2 or 3 hours, and it is around 100 rupees in Amazon, and you can definitely give it a try. I promise you, you are going to fall in love with this book. And if you are somebody like who has already read this book, please do write in the comment section which part or which story is your favorite. I'll try to write down my favorite story in the description box, so please do check it out. And if you like my video, please do consider hitting the like button, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, have a happy reading experience till we meet with another yet amazing book review. Till then, bye, take care.